Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered, can Smartsheet actually send automated emails? You're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up automatic alerts so that as soon as key changes occur in your Smartsheet projects, the right people are instantly notified, saving you time and making sure nothing slips through the cracks. Let's jump right in and walk through the process step by step so you can confidently automate emails in your own Smartsheet workflows. First up, you'll want to create a new workflow, and the easiest way to get started is by using a template. This saves you from having to build everything from scratch. Think of it as having a blueprint you can quickly adjust to fit your project's needs. So head over to the automation menu in your sheet and select the option to create a workflow from a template. Now, from the list of template options Smartsheet provides, go ahead and choose Alert Someone when specified criteria are met. This template is designed specifically for situations where you want to notify people only when certain conditions occur, so you're not sending out unnecessary emails for every minor change. Click Use Template to continue. Let's give your workflow a clear, memorable name. I'll call this one the Automated Email Demo just to keep things organized. Naming your workflows meaningfully will really help you stay organized as your automation library grows. Next, we need to define exactly when the alert should be sent. For this example, imagine you're managing a project sheet and you want to alert your team when the progress of a task is marked 100% complete. So set your criteria so that whenever the percent complete column shows 100%, that will trigger the email. This is super helpful if, for instance, you want a project manager to get notified the moment a critical task wraps up, no waiting, no manual checks. Now let's tell Smartsheet who should get the alert. Choose Send to specific people. You can enter one or multiple email addresses here. Maybe it's just the task owner, maybe it's the whole stakeholder group. This way, only the relevant folks get notified, keeping communications focused and efficient. Time for the fun part, customizing your message. Smartsheet gives you flexibility to determine what the recipient sees. You can include a link to the sheet plus all fields from the row that triggered the alert, just specific fields, or even send just the message without any links or attached data. Think about what your recipient needs to know. Do they need all the details at their fingertips or just a quick heads up? Tailor this part to match the needs of your team. Happy with your setup? Go ahead and hit save. Don't worry if this takes a moment, it's normal. Now let's test what we've built. To do this, look for the three dots, usually in the top right of your workflow panel. Click there and select Test Now. This is your chance to make sure everything works as expected before any real notifications go out. You'll have the option to trigger the workflow on specific rows. Enter the row number you like to use for testing, maybe pick a row you know won't confuse your team, or even create a dummy row just for this purpose. Finally, hit Run Workflow and watch what happens. If all goes well, your designated recipient should get the automated email, complete with whatever details you chose. This can give you confidence that, moving forward, your alerts will work exactly as planned, and your project updates will always reach the right people. And that's it. You've just seen how easy it is to set up automated emails in Smartsheet. If you found this helpful, go ahead and hit that like button and drop any questions or feedback in the comments below. I always read them. Don't forget to subscribe for more clear and practical Smartsheet tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.